tuning back in. This is Michael Middleton Motorsports. Today we have a ReadyLIFT 3-inch lift kit for the Sasquatch package Broncos. I'm excited about this kit because this is actually going on my personal Bronco, and I picked this kit mainly because it just looked like it had really good quality. I mean, we got billet aluminum spacers. Overall, I mean, everything is just solid and just looks high quality. Instructions look really nice. We got detailed instructions, pictures on every step. So it looks like it's going to be pretty simple install overall. Probably going to need a lift for this one. But we're also going to go through and fill out before and after ride heights. I got it all in here. So that's going to be the next step of the video, is going out and seeing where it's at now. We're going to measure it with the 35s on it. And then we're going to install this, leave the 35s on it, measure it with that, and then we're going to put the 37s on and see where it is after that. Hey, we're out here at my Bronco now. We're going to measure the stock ride height. We're just going to go from the floor straight up to the fender here, just keeping tape measure centered on the wheel here. And it looks like stock ride height is 37 7/8 of an inch for the front right. So I'm going to go ahead and document this. Let's get on to the rear. Back is 39 5/8. We are out in the shop now getting ready to install the ReadyLIFT kit. We got Doug here. He's one of our Middleton Motorsport technicians. He's going to be doing the install. So we're going to follow some of the highlights of this install, so stay tuned and enjoy. So we got the rear spacers in. Now we gotta raise the rear track bar here. So it's gonna get to the right geometry with the added spacers. Rear is all done on this now. We got the rear spacers in, we got the track bar relocation, and the brake line relocation bracket also. So everything's all done. We're getting onto the front now. need to take the spring off because we have to install this collar down here on the spring perch to raise this a little bit. So we got to take this all apart, but Doug's already got it marked. You got to make sure that's lined up when you put it back together, same spot. As you can see so far, it's probably not the easiest driveway job. Definitely want to have the skills to be able to do this and the safe equipment like a spring compressor because there's a lot of tension on this spring. We're at the press now. We're going to be installing the new ball joints into these control arms. We decided to go with just some new ones so we didn't have to press out the old ones and chance damaging them or whatever, so it's not going to delay us at all. So all we do is set these in here, we get these pressed in on the press over here, and then we'll get on installing in the car.
Voila. And then we will transfer the snap ring from the old control arm to this one.
Doug just finished up the last step here. One other thing I want to point out, these tie rod reinforcements. If you're doing a lift kit, this might be something you want to do at this point because you got to do an alignment anyways. Definitely a worthwhile upgrade. Overall, I'd say this kit is excellent quality, highly recommend it. We'll compare it to the rough country kits we've installed on other vehicles. So looking forward to getting this on the ground and see how high this actually sits. We got the vehicle down, we took it for a 2-mile test drive. Now we're going to measure the height after it's settled. So it looks like in the front, about 40 and 5/8. And before we were 37 and 7/8, so that's 2 3/4 of an inch lift on the front. So we'll see what happened at the back. Looks about 41 and 5/8. And before it was 39 and 5/8. So that's 2 inches. So a 2-inch lift in the back and 2 3/4 in the front. So we're gonna go put the 37s on now, get it aligned, and see where it's at. We're on to the last step here. We got the 37s installed now. Taking our final measurements. We got 41 and 7/8 in the front. That's a total of a 4-inch lift overall with the kit and going to 37s. In the back, we're at 42 and 5/8, which is 3 inches over on the total ride height change. Overall, I'm real happy with this kit. Looks awesome with the 37s. So far, there's no rubbing with these BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. And do some testing off-road soon. Thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Last step you're gonna need to do is, if you do the 37s, you're gonna need the reinforcement kit. This one's from Rough Country. It reinforces for the extra weight of this 37-inch tire, and it also lifts it 1 inch along with the brake light. So don't forget to get that when you're getting these parts for your lift kit. And I hope to see you on the trails.